This is the award-winning Lee Pitts Live.
Brought to you by the North Law Firm. For accidents and negligent security cases, call Joe at 239-337-1191. By Southwest Florida Crime Stoppers, where you can report crimes and get paid with nobody knowing your identity. Call 1-800-780-TIPS. By Solomon's Air Conditioning Incorporated. No matter what the weather is outside, have it your way inside. Call 239-693-1569. By Regions Bank. And by Lee Health. Southwest Florida, welcome back to Lee Pitts Live. It's so good to get the best air condition repair company here and servicing company and all of the state of Florida here on our show. Always a pleasure to get this update on what's going on, especially as we move into the winter season. Solomon Mitchell III, the Vice President at Solomon's Air Conditioning. Welcome back, my friend.
How you doing?
It's good to get you here. I'm gonna get right to it. Now we're in the heart of November, leading into December. Places are gonna be cooler or not so cool here in South Florida, and what are some winter tips people need to be doing?
As the weather changes in Florida, we have winter, but not as cold of a winter as up north. But I advise people, check your heaters out, make sure everything is full functioning before you just turn it on and then expect something to happen to it. But everything, just start bracing yourself just in case that we get that cold front coming in.
When you say check your heaters out, you mean like the heater in your house?
Yeah, the heating element in your air conditioner. Your air conditioner should come with the heating element. So like if you first turn it on, most Floridians don't turn their heater on throughout the year. So once they get cold, they just turn the thermostat to heat and expect it to get hot, but then they'll start smelling something burning. That's just basically the element burning off the dust and everything off of it from it not being used.
I see.
Yeah, so to avoid that smell, it can be one time every 4 months. Just turn your heater on, let it run for about 5 minutes, then turn it right back off. That burns all the dust and everything off of it.
The fact that you mentioned heater and the heater and the air conditioner in those centralized units is all one and the same, right? So essentially, you're a heater guy too.
Yeah.
So we never talk heating because we're in Florida, but if people got heating needs,
I'm the guy.
Expound on that.
Like for instance, I can go back, much of the older community, they're used to old school where, I guess, because my grandparents used to do it. They'll open the oven door, cut the oven on, and it heats the house.
Right.
You don't have to do that.
We did that.
Yeah, you don't have to do that.
And then we boiled some water on the top too.
Yeah, those are old school habits. But now you just cut your heater on in your air conditioner, and it'll heat up your house for them.
Right. So if that heater's not working, you the guy to call as well. Okay. I got breaking some news here. I never thought about it like that. It's just a different little system there. A little
element.
Okay. How should people run their air conditioning during the winter?
Everybody's different. Me personally, I love the cold regardless. But during the winter, you can keep your air at, it might not. You keep it at 77 because if it cools the house down, let's say for instance we have a cold front, our cold is usually 67, in Florida, but that's gonna keep your air conditioner from not running. That's the perfect time for you to air your house out, lift up your windows, and just let that cool breeze come inside.
How often should people change their filter? I always think, oh man, that must be complicated.
Yeah,
is it complicated?
It's not complicated at all. I've run into these problems a lot. A lot of people read the package of the filter and it says every 3 months. Don't listen to that. It's not every 3 months. If you have pets, it's every 2 weeks. Or without pets, it's every month because animal hair is going to shed quicker. So the longevity of your system, believe it or not, is based on you keep your filter changed regularly. So you keep it changed every month, every 2 weeks. Your system will last you about 20-some years.
But Solomon, I could literally call you the filter guy.
Yeah.
Every time you come on the show, you telling people, filter.
That's it.
As the person who does what you do, that is the key to long functioning. That's number one, seems like to you.
Yeah, that's the major key in air conditioning. A lot of people don't realize.
Like changing that oil in that car.
If you mix match oil, your motor's gonna mess up. You know, if you go regular or synthetic oil, you can't mix and match. With filters, same thing. You keep your filter clean, the unit's gonna run smooth. You know, we have a filter service that I can come out. If you don't feel like changing the filter, I can come out and do it for you. You know, I can come out and do it every month, every 6 months, however you want to. You know, there's different size filters out there for your needs.
We're gearing up to the holiday season. People are going to be coming to visit people. A lot of relatives are going to be in the houses. We got the pandemic going on. Got all this stuff going on, Thanksgiving dinners and all of that. What advice you give people as it relates to the air conditioning and heating?
Oh, the best advice, you know, like I said, like you just mentioned, this holiday season, people are going to be coming in and out, in and out. That's the majority of the problems as well, as if your air conditioner is left on, opening the door and closing, letting all that cold air that just accumulated inside to bring more heat in, is going to take longer to cool your house down. So then you'll probably call and be like, you know, it's not, my house is not cooling. But if you have a lot of traffic in and out, you're just basically bringing a lot of heat inside. So it's going to take longer.
Now, you guys always try to help people out in the holiday season. You give out an air conditioning unit. What's the process of getting an air conditioning unit from you? How do you qualify?
We just look at, you know, those that are in need, that are not, you know, financially able, those that majority is elder community, you know, some that's been without air conditioning for a long period of time. You know, you're trying to be like, okay, let's bless them for blessing us for being in the community as well. So it works out for it. My dad wanted to keep giving back, so that's his way of giving back.
The being overheated, that can be unhealthy, couldn't it?
Yes, it is.
I've heard the term heat stroke.
Heat stroke, yeah.
You come across that in your many years? People having that?
I've come across knowing somebody that has that had a heat stroke. You got to keep yourself hydrated, especially working in the heat, working in attics. You have to keep yourself hydrated. That helps out a lot.
Especially here in South Florida.
Yes, especially here.
Okay. Who would you like to wish a happy holidays to?
Happy holidays to all the Dunbar community, all the Southwest Florida, everybody, Lee, Collier, Hendry County. You know, from Solomon's Air Conditioning to yours, we wish you a happy holidays.
When people think in air conditioning and heating, who should they think about?
Solomon's Air Conditioning. That's it.
Have it your
whatever the weather is on the outside, have it your way on the inside.
All right, shout out, peace.
There you go.
All right, stay right there. For those who say it can't be done, they're usually interrupted by my main man, Solomon Mitchell III of Solomon Air Conditioning, who are doing it. We'll be right back.
Lee Pitts Live is a Lee Pitts Enterprise production.
Hello, Southwest Florida. Thanks for watching Lee Pitts Live. Of course, I'm Lee Pitts. I hope you enjoy that particular show, but you can always catch us here on YouTube. Just click on the subscribe button down there. That way you can get your Lee Pitts Live on demand when you want it and how you want it. We also encourage you to watch our show on Fox 4 and connect with us on all our social media platforms. Just type in Lee Pitts Live.